I like birds and I listen to Flowbots. I don't know if you know who they are, but let me tell you something. An appropriate punishment for somebody who takes birds and glues them to things to make them sing until they die deserves to be put naked on a giant plank of that stuff that you catch mice on. And you can get off, and if you don't, whatever. I mean, you don't like birds or something? You just want to kill them? What's wrong with your brain? Tweet, 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 tweet. Let's hurt a bird. It's better. Break the knees of the baby birdies. Break the knees. That way they cry better. Ah, look, look. Stick a pencil thing into their butt. Ooh, look, a hot thing. Ooh, look at the birds singing. Ooh, I'm so cool. It's not cruel, is it? Sounds like I'm just like this for no reason. I'm an asshole. Fuck off. Futwa. Fukritis. Chingawa! Zoni! How do they say in Russian? Febvos!